All right, friends, today for your assignment, you guys watched the video on the Google Slides, and now you're going to complete this form. So type your first and last name at the top. It says, which word has the same middle sound as cat? Cat. So think about the middle sound in the word cat, and then look at the pictures below. The picture of the kangaroo stands for the word hop. Hop. Then there's a picture of a bat. Bat. Which word, hop or bat, has the same middle sound as the word cat? So you're going to click whichever option, hop or bat, whichever one you think has the same middle sound as the word cat. For the next question, which word has the same middle sound as tub? Tub. Bug or mop? Which word has the same middle sound as tub, bug, or mop? Then hit the submit button when you're done selecting your answers.